What's going on, guys? My name's Colin. This is my Miata, and these are camshafts. Why am I holding camshafts again? In the last episode, we put this bad boy in here, got her cranking. She wouldn't run. After looking into it, we found some compatibility issues with the camshafts. So in this episode, we're gonna put new camshafts in there, get it working, fix our wiring problems, and should be good to go. In 1990, the Miata started as a 1.6, and in 1994, Mazda switched over to a 1.8, at least in the US. In the rest of the world, Mazda continued to offer the 1.6 as an option, and this being a JDM engine, it's one of those 1.6s. Although these engines are very similar, Mazda made one key change to the later engine, being a more modern magnetic cam angle sensor, removing the need for a slot in the rear of the cam for the previous sensor to slot into.
This guy hates bugs. So you have to do this again because you fucked up the timing, right?
Yeah.
This guy sucks.
Now it's like giving resistance, but it's not like... This guy's back where he wants to be. I fucked with this, but if these two are lining up... Hang on. Let's watch a YouTube video.
YouTube video within a YouTube video. Take that belt off so we can see top dead center at mark.
Yeah, they're off.
Yeah. It was a valiant effort.
It was.
You were too sick. Alright, so right now we're taking the serpentine belt off so we can see where the top dead center mark is on what is that guy? Main pulley? Motor pulley?
The what?
Motor pulley, that thing.
Crank pulley?
Crank pulley. On the crank pulley so we can get this timing figured out. Yeah, who are you?
I'm the guy who does his job.
You must be the other guy. These guys love this Miata. Get out of here, bro. It's gonna start tonight? It's starting tonight?
We'll see about that.
It's gonna be tonight?
We'll see.
First person to email us at Memento Motorsports at gmail.com gets a discount on some merch, so hit it up. So the crank pulley is now top dead center. We're gonna mess with the gears. We gotta make sure that this I is lined up with this line and the E is lined up with this line. Yeah, even though this is the intake side, this is the exhaust side, it's weird because then exhaust points up and the I points up. All right, let's take it off again. Third time's charm though, right?
Oh, of course.
Look at this guy about to come out of there. Look at this skinwalker, dude. You're telling me that's a real person?
This time. Get it this time. Get it this time.
Ah, I get it.
Oh, you get it?
Yeah, that was bad.
All right, so we got her in time. Camera's about to die, so we're just gonna button everything back up and see if we can't get it running.
Let's see it. Yeah, it is trying. Dude, it's so close.
No way. Oh my god. That was like really loud up there.
Last thing we can think of before it gets running. We have these wires aren't grounded, so we're just gonna tap a hole in there and screw it down, and if that doesn't do it, it's back to the drawing board.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a couple brackets here that they just attached to for the grounds, but I don't have those on this engine, so we're just gonna
drill it in and see what happens, and should do it, right?
Maybe.
That's the last thing we can think of. So, we'll see.
To follow me where I'm going. Fuck you.
1 in. 2 in. It wants to so bad. It's almost. Almost. Yeah, no, drawing board. We're gonna check for spark, get an actual intake in there, right?
Yep.
She'll be good after that. Two final things. That's it. All right, ignore everything we thought was wrong with the grounds. They can get grounded to the body or the firewall or the engine. It doesn't really matter. But we just learned the fuel lines going from the tank to the motor might be reversed. So that, obviously engine's not getting any fuel. Has it ever gotten fuel?
No.
It's never gotten fuel before, so this could be the day. You gonna pop this little guy?
Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay. So basically, last night, had an epiphany. Came to realize,
Looked it up.
fuel lines have always been in wrong. They're a little counterintuitive. So you would think that this front line would go to this front line, this rear line goes to this rear line, but it's actually the other way around. They're supposed to be opposite. So I just didn't even bother checking that because I was so confident.
This feels like one of those porn ads where it's like, this quick fix could get you really hard boners. Need a strong man, let me know.
Okay.
There she is.
Right.
Place those Johnsons. And that's gonna be it. This is the first time we felt confident about it starting, right?
Yep.
He's gonna throw the battery in and we'll see what happens. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
We probably gotta do ignition timing.
Give it one more try.
I don't want to damage it. It's just like misfiring, but. Okay, it definitely needs ignition timing.
Yeah, it does.
Hang on, dude, this thing's gonna run.
Dude. No way!
Holy
no
shit!
fucking way!
Oh, okay.
Oh my god!
It fucking
Oh
runs.
my god!
It fucking runs, dude. Alright, one more. Yeah, okay, it's fucked.
Yeah.
It needs timing.
Yeah.
But holy
Definitely.
shit, it works.
Dude! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It fucking runs.
We did it! We did it! Oh my god!
Oh man.
One more time, just because Scott's here to see it now. What is that noise? Come here. It sounds weird. Yeah, something's smoking.
Good. All right, so there's still plenty of things that need to be fixed. There's a coolant leak. We're waiting on the intake.
We don't know why it's farting.
Gonna need to set timing, probably ignition timing, but it works, as you can clearly see.
Main thing is that it works. Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Big day. Big fucking day.